Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to the BMW Z4. Today's a very quick and simple one. For those of you who don't know, I'm going to show you where the battery is located in this car and how to disconnect it, change it if you need to. It's useful for many jobs, even just disconnecting the battery, anything electrical. It's a good idea so you don't blow fuses, relays, short circuit, anything, etc. So for those of you new to these cars, you've got two options. You can either press this button here, which releases the boot, or the trunk if you're American, or you can stick the key in there and do it manually. The fob does have a button for the boot, I think, but mine doesn't work, of course. So normally you'd have a plastic cover over this, and then this carpet section, which hides it quite well if you don't know. So if you just come in, it looks so neat. You're going to pull this fake bit of carpet up. The plastic cover, I think that's the wrong one. I think the proper plastic cover has a little bolt maybe that goes in there and there. Or is that just for the battery strap? I'm not sure, I'm quite new to this car myself. But anyway, this reveals the battery at least. So if you're just disconnecting it to do work on the car, you've got your terminals here. And yeah, you can disconnect them both for what it's worth to be safe. I know some people just do the positive or just do the earth, but doing both for what it's worth. And that covers you for any trouble. If you need to change the battery, there's a clamp here, which should be not over that wire. This has been thrown in recently. It's a bit rough and ready. That bolts like that, straps across and holds the battery nice and tight. Keen-eyed viewers have probably also noticed that's not the right battery for the car, but that's another story for another day. And that, guys, is your battery location, how to disconnect it, how to replace it. When you're finished with that, you can put your plastic cover back on. I don't think this has got anything to do with it. Ooh, I think that slides down there like that in those grooves. I'm pretty certain. If you know in the comments, please put me right, tell me straight. It does. That will slide in those grooves like that. Yeah, I'm pretty certain, one way or another. Keeping it all snug. And then your little kit's probably meant to go in there if you've got one. And the carpet covers it up like so. After that, you can shut your boot and that's it. How to locate and disconnect the battery on the BMW Z4. I hope you found this one useful. There's plenty more content on this car to come and a little series on all its quirks and features. It's got a lot of them. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.